written by famous Chilean poet Pablo Neruda. This is a didactic poem in the very positive sense of the term. Unlike the many didactic poems imparting worn out pieces of advice, this poem very much appeals to the modern sensibilities. The poem reminds us one again the age-old wisdoms that life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. According to the poet, we must not be stagnant, repetitive, or conventional in the way we lead our lives. You start dying slowly. The first stanza of the extract. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. In the first stanza, the poet is giving advice to us that if we do not travel or read or listen to the sound of our life, then we start dying slowly. This is so even when we do not recognize the good qualities that lie within ourselves. So, if you don't recognize the good qualities that is in ourselves, then we will slowly dying ourselves. Next stanza, that is when you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. That means the poet is reminding us that if you kill our self-esteem, that self-esteem means the feeling of being happy with one's own characters and abilities, or we do not let others to help us, then also we start dying slowly. So when we kill our self-esteem, that is, self-esteem means the feeling of being happy with one's own characters and abilities. If you kill our own characters or the abilities or the qualities, or if we do not let others to help yourself, then we will start dying slowly. Then third stanza, if you became a slave of your habit, walking every day on the same path, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. That means, according to the poet, if you became a slave of one's habit or ends up doing the same things day after day without even bothering to change the routine, then one start dying slowly. That means if you are doing same things as a regular, as a routine, and if you do not wear the different colors, that means if you do not accept the other things, if you are doing the same routine, the same work as usual, and you are not doing or you are not speaking to the others, then the poet is saying that you start dying slowly. Then fourth stanza, if you avoid to feel passion and there's turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. In that stanza, the poet is saying that this is also true if you do not wear different colors, or if you do not dare to speak to strangers, then we will start dying slowly. In that fourth stanza, if you avoid to feel passion and turbulent emotion, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. That means if you avoid to feel the passions, or if you avoid those unsteady emotions, those are glistens or the shines, the sparkles for your eyes, and your heart beat fast. Or if you avoid to feel your heartbeat also, then you start dying slowly. Then at the last stanza, the poet is saying that if you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for those uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. See, in last stanza, the poet is saying that we start dying slowly if you do not change our life when we are not satisfied with our job or love. We also start dying slowly if we do not solve the courage to risk something safe for something uncertain. If we do not go after a dream, or if we do not allow ourselves to ignore a sensible advice at least once in our lifetime, even then we start dying slowly. In the last stanza, the poet is giving advice to us, that is, we have to challenge for our life, we have to accept the challenge or changes in our life when we are not satisfied with our job or with our love. That means if you are not changing our life according to our satisfied or according to our love, then uh, we will start dying slowly. If you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if in our life there is the uncertain, and if you are not uh, thinking about the safe or the protection, our protection, then we will start for the dying, uh, dying the slowly. If you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in our lifetimes to run away from the sensible advice, then we will become the dying person, or the if you will start dying slowly. That means we have to go behind our dream in the life. Then if you are not doing like that, then we will start dying slowly. In this way we have seen the explanation of the poem You Start Dying Slowly.